What's up, everybody? Dex back here with the Shift at 9 channel. Today I'm going to be changing oil in my daily driver, my 2010 Lexus IS250. So you can come here. You'll when you fire it up, you'll get your oil maintenance required light soon on. Alright, to reset your maintenance light, have your indicator on your odometer, your full mileage. Press and hold the odometer trip button. Press your start stop button once and twice without your foot on the brake. And you'll see down at the bottom where your odometer is, there's dash lines that will count down. Once those zero out and reset, your maintenance light is reset for your gauge cluster. So there's also a second way that a maintenance can be reset / set is if you go into your head unit. You go to Setup, and you go to Vehicle, Maintenance. Oh, let me reset that. Setup, Vehicle, Maintenance. So here you can set your oil life, oil filter, rotation, tires, battery, brake pads, yada yada yada. They also leave some personal ones in here. So like if you want to set for like differential services or other stuff like that, spark plugs, that and that, you have a record on there that will let you know. So if you just go into there, like I have mine set here, there's a reminder you can shut it on and off up there if you don't want it to be displayed on your head unit here, and like have it just on your dash. So you go into, let's say, engine oil. So that is all set there. You can set whatever distance you want on it. I have 5,000 miles on this vehicle. So what you'll pretty much just do is you'll go to Edit, and then 5,000 miles, click OK, and that will reset back to 5,000 miles. Click OK. Same with the oil filter. And then also I will be rotating my tires at the same time, but I rotate my tires every time I change oil. So you shouldn't have to worry about that. Hope this video helps you out. Quick and easy. It's not real tough. A lot of people I know have troubles with these maintenance lights, but hopefully this video helps you out. Thanks. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video if you think it was helpful for you. All right, till next time.